Welcome to Kathy's Hobby Corner. I got my package today, y'all. Let's get it open. It's pretty big. Pretty big. Let's see if we can cut into it. All right, y'all. We got our Hardell mini chainsaw. Let's get it open. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. I've got several fruit trees in my yard. Got my manual. Oh, got an extra chain. Got my chain. Got my tools, some oil. Nice little pouch. All right, and the piece de resistance. Guys, check that out. Y'all see it? This is nice. It's got a guard here. It's got a guard to protect when you're cutting through. Our charger section. It comes with 2 chargers. All right, check that out. That's straight out the box, y'all. That's straight out the box. All right, so we'll be able to get outside, test it on a couple of trees, and we'll let y'all know.